Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bedroom Studio Corner. So glad to have you back here again. It's been a very busy month for me. I've been doing a lot of work trying to keep up with the channel and also my personal work like shooting music videos, recording people, mixing and mastering for clients as well. So it's just been a lot of diverse things happening in terms of my side. I hope yours has been very dope. And I'm also trying to do a lot of things this year and kind of branch out to other things. That's why I'm like really so busy. That's kind of my main goal for 2019. And that leads me to the topic of this video. I know a lot of people have a lot of goals, especially beginning of the year. People want to do so much. They have all these plans. So today I want to answer the question I get asked a lot of times, and people always ask me, do you really need to study sound? My answer is usually it depends with how your life is set up. It depends with what you really want to do and who you really want to be in the long run, because people don't understand what exactly these courses are trying to give to you, because people don't read the fine print. People just think that, okay, sound engineer equals to producer equals to being in a big studio, I am in, but they don't understand what they're getting into, and people never really take time to read through what exactly they're being offered. Because I have a lot of people that done sound engineering courses and that went to SAE, Cape Audio College, and all these big schools that teach sound, and they didn't really get what they were looking for and ended up having to pay so much money. And now you cannot quit in the middle because now you're already going and you need that degree. You know what I mean? So it's not that I'm saying that it's a bad thing to do, but know what you want to be first so that you know if it's really the route you want to take. What they teach you at these schools is something that is catered to a specific type of person and a specific type of career that you would want to kind of do. So you need to know exactly what you're getting yourself into before you invest all this money into taking this course. So knowing exactly who you want to be and what you want to do is a key factor in whether you should take these courses or not. There's a lot of online courses you can take that teach you exactly what you need to know, especially this channel. This channel teaches you exactly how you would want to produce deep house, how you would want to produce Afro house, how you would want to produce bomb. So now you're getting the education exactly that you need without having to invest thousands and thousands into a course that is not going to really give you what you really need, because that degree does not guarantee you work at radio stations, work in big studios, and does not guarantee you anything. That's just how things are. That's the reality of things. So some people think that going to audio college is going to sort out their producing problems, or is going to get them producing jobs, or going to make them a much better producer, but they don't understand that that's not what that is meant for. It's supposed to teach you how to work in a specific type of job, and in order for you to become a specific type of person and be qualified for a specific type of thing. So what I would say is, if you can afford to take it, and you can, and you have the time and you have the money to take these courses, then go ahead, take it. I mean, a degree in audio is a good thing to have if you're now gonna want to get jobs and you want to get clients, because if you go to a doctor's office, you always see they have their certificates and their degrees right there on the wall to guarantee you that you are dealing with a professional who knows what they're doing. So now imagine you set up a studio and you have a degree on the wall. A person that's gonna come to, to get their job done at your studio, they're gonna feel much safer putting their work in your hands because you have that certificate right there on the wall, instead of them just guessing that you might know what you're doing, but you actually do not know what you're doing. So if you can afford it and you have the time and you have the means, then go ahead and take the course. But if you know you just want to be a producer, you just want to make a certain style, and you're just trying to be a more, a small-time producer, and then you want to turn big and you really cannot afford that, rather invest your money into some equipment that you can learn, and then still you can take some online courses and you can kind of find mentorship in people like me and other big producers as well, and build from that. That is also another formula that is proven to work. A lot of producers that are out there, most of your favorite producers, I promise you, some of them didn't even go to audio college, but they are really big, you understand? So that's what happens when it comes to these things. It doesn't mean that if you don't have it, you are never gonna make it as a producer, and it doesn't mean that if you have it, you guarantee to be the biggest producer ever. So I hope you find this helpful, and I hope it helps you make a decision this year if you are thinking of going to audio college and studying audio, so you don't have to make a decision that you're gonna regret later and think that, okay, maybe I should have taken it or maybe I shouldn't have taken it, and then you're gonna feel bad and spend so much money, or actually spend it on something else where you could have actually done it. So I hope this kind of gives you clarity, and that's all I have for you today. If you're new to the channel, subscribe down below for more great content on music production and content that's going to help you be a better music producer. Leave a like down below if you like this video, and let me know down in the comments if you would go to audio college or not. If you have gone there, tell me what you've learned and if you feel like it's actually helping you right now after you went to go study audio. So that's it for me in this video. I'm X and I'm out. Peace.